show us how you can dance, honey. Dance, Hope. Come on, sweetheart. Yeah. Hell, I can't even do that. She's doing something with her feet, like she's falling on her toes, doing a toe roll or something like MJ does. Well, did. If you roll on your toes and then you roll to your top of your feet. I can't even do that. I tried just now. And she can do it. Dance and clap, Ho. Yeah. Yeah, girl, dance. Hope. Put anything on that's musical, dance, anything, she just is in tune to the TV. She's trying to mock a lady on TV. Yep, there she goes. Dance! Yeah! Dance to that part of the song, yeah, girl! Now she's getting in my shoes. I think she actually knows it's a shoe and she can put her foot inside it like her own shoes. So I think that's what she's trying to do. So it looks like to me. Trying to get into Mama's shoe. I don't think you're going to fit, sweetie. Dang, no trash can. Your song's still on. You're not going to get up. We're just going to have to, okay. I guess we'll turn it off for now. Well, that was Hope dancing, July 29th, I think, 2013. Alright, bye.